Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today's video is going to be all about hair. We'll be discussing one of the most popular trends in hairstyling, layered haircuts for long hair. Whether you're looking for a fresh new look without sacrificing too much length or you're just curious about how layers can completely transform your style, this video is for you. So, stay tuned as we walk you through the best layered hairstyles that will make you feel instantly refreshed. Let's dive right in. When it comes to getting a fresh haircut, many of us find ourselves torn between wanting to keep our long hair, but also craving a change. That's where layers come to the rescue. One-length cuts can be great, but layering is an ideal way to add volume, texture, and movement without losing the length you love. Layers can work wonders on all hair types, from thick and curly to fine and straight. For those with thick or curly hair, layers provide major volume-boosting effects, while those with finer hair will love how strategically placed layers add much-needed body and dimension. The beauty of layered cuts is that they refresh your look without drastically altering the length of your hair, making them a perfect option if you're looking to update your style without going too short. Here are some of the most flattering layered haircuts you might want to consider for your next appointment. First up, we have flippy layers. These are fantastic for anyone who wants that bouncy, salon-fresh blowout look. The layers are cut in a way that creates instant volume and lift, making it super easy to style at home using a blow dryer. Next, we have face framing layers, which are perfect for giving your long hair a chic and sophisticated look without going for a shorter cut. Face framing layers highlight your facial features, giving a soft, flattering effect. If you love a bit of drama, side-swept long cuts are always a hit. Paired with side fringes and perhaps a few balayage highlights, this cut is versatile and effortlessly stylish. For those of you who adore bangs, try layered hair with fringe. Curtain bangs and layers complement each other flawlessly, but be prepared for a bit more styling. Lastly, for a color boost, consider ash blonde with all-over layers or chocolate brown hair with highlighted layers. The layers help the highlights pop, adding depth and dimension to your look. Whether you're aiming for a cool tone blonde or a rich chocolate brown with golden highlights, layers will amplify your chosen color, making it stand out even more. Ladies, remember, as we age, our hair changes, and it often requires more care. For women over 30, layered haircuts are an excellent way to keep your look fresh while maintaining healthy, vibrant locks. The variety of hairstyles out there is endless, and the key is to love yourself and invest in self-care. So whether you're looking for something subtle or dramatic, don't be afraid to experiment with your hair. The right cut can boost your confidence and give you a whole new outlook on your style. And that's a wrap for today's video. We hope you found these ideas inspiring and helpful. If you're thinking of getting a new haircut, let us know in the comments below which style you're excited to try. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit that like button, and ring the bell so you never miss an update from us. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.